Today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to reset the windows on your GMC Sierra. Your windows may be giving you issues such as not being able to roll down all the way or not being able to function because of a battery change or fuse being blown or whatever. It may not be working. I'm going to show you how to fix that by resetting your windows. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the GMC Sierra. In order to reset the windows on this GMC Sierra, you'll want to have your engine off first. It's off. Now that it's off, you don't want to start the engine, but you will press the ignition button to get it to turn on. And you do that by not having your foot on the brake. You can see my foot is not on the brake. And I'm going to come to the start engine stop, and I'll press this. And it is now on, okay? It is on. Now with that on, I will come back over, check on there. The car's on, but not the engine. I will go to where the windows are at. And for the particular window that I'm going to be using, adjusting and fixing, is the driver's side. And you can apply this to the passenger or the rear windows if you need to reset those as well, the automatic feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this button down to roll down the window, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it and the procedures that I'm going to do. So I'm going to press and hold this down to roll the window down, and I'll show you what I do. I'll press and hold it down, and after it gets to the bottom, all the way roll down, I will hold this button for 5 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after I've done that, I will go ahead and roll the window up. And once it gets to the top, hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will release it. Now I'll have to check to see if the window works. So what I'll do is I'll go to this button and I'll press and hold it down to test to see if it works. And the automatic feature should work to where it rolls down. I'll press and hold it, and it's rolling all the way down. And that is indicative that the window has been reset. And that is how you reset the windows on the GMC Sierra. If you need to reset the other windows, you can do the same process. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.